Do you dream of selling your products across the world? Imagine you are having buyers who are located in USA, Europe, and Australia. Starting an export business will open huge opportunities for a lot of business. But before making the first shipment in your export business, you must make sure that you have a proper legal registrations for export businesses. This registration which is applicable for export business is not really complicated. There are few registrations which are compulsory. In this video, we are going to see about how you can start your export businesses, what are all the registrations you need, how to check that everything is legally correct, whether export business is easy or not. Let's get started. Myself Rohini, a corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Private Limited. If you have a dream of starting your own business but still struggling to find out what business to start, or if you have already started your business but still struggling how to grow the business, then here is a solution. We have our WhatsApp community where we are helping people to figure out what business they can start and how to grow their business. The link is there given in the description. Kindly click on the link and join our community. So when you decide to start an export business, these are the 5 registration which you should compulsorily be doing it. Number 1, company registration. Number 2, GST registration. Number 3, import-export code. Number 4, product license. Number 5, export promotion council registration. Let's understand what are all these registrations. The first one I mentioned is company registration. If you are starting your export business in a small level, you can register as a sole proprietorship, or along with your partners, you can start as a partnership company. But if you want to start your company in a more structured format, then you can choose for one-person company or a limited liability company, which is LLP company. But if you are looking for a big giant global clients, then you should be compulsorily doing a private limited company for your export business. The second important point is you should make sure that you file your export returns before GST, which will help your company to run the business legally as well as protects your company when you have an audits and refunds. The third most important registration is import-export code. For doing an export business, the most important registration is IE code. This IE code is actually provided by Director General of Foreign Trade. This license actually gives you authorization to export your business outside India, and without this license, you cannot receive money from the foreign countries. This IE code is just like a passport for your business where you can do it internationally. The number 4 is product-based license. There are certain exclusive products which needs a separate license before you are importing. For example, if you are exporting a food-related product, you must have FSSAI registration. If you are exporting any handicraft-based products, then you must have a certificate from Handicraft Department. If you are exporting any medicines, then you must have license from drug authorities. Like this, if you are exporting any exclusive products, then applicable license you should have it in India before you are exporting to foreign countries. Number 5, Export Promotion Council registration. This Export Promotion Council registration is an organization created by government. The purpose of this organization is to encourage exports from India. So hence, if you are a company who want to export, you can register yourself in this organization, which will help you to get trainings from them, fundings from them, and also you can get buyers from the resources. So based on the product that you are exporting, there are various councils under which you can register yourself and promote your business. Now these are the 5 basic registrations which are required, and this is the foundation for starting an export business in India. If you are starting your business newly, make sure that you have all of these licenses. If you are already running an export business, make sure that you are compliant legally with all of this registration, and make sure that all these registrations are renewed and kept on track with all the returns filed properly. This will ensure you to run your business without any legal hassles. If you're planning to start an export company and need support in the registration process, you can call to this number and get your consultations today itself. Like this, more useful videos will be posted in our channel to promote your business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Private Limited.